Hello everyone! Welcome to Learning Explorers, the channel where we share fascinating general knowledge that everyone should know. If you're passionate about learning and growing smarter every day, you're in the right place. Spend a few minutes with us daily. Join us by watching our videos. Just a few minutes of your time can make a big difference, and I promise you won't regret. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss any update. Now let's start video. Today, we're diving into the world of the strange, the unusual, and the downright unbelievable. Plants that defy everything you thought you knew about nature. The first plant is Rafflesia Arnoldii, also known as the corpse flower. And trust me, it earned that nickname for a reason. This massive bloom, native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, can grow up to 3 feet wide, making it one of the largest flowers in the world. And here's the kicker, it smells like rotting flesh. But you know why? Because to attract carrion flies, which helps to pollinate the flower. It doesn't have stems, leaves, or roots. Instead, it's a parasitic plant that feeds off on its host vine. Nature really pulled out all the stops with this one. Next is Welwitschia mirabilis, the Immortal Plant, which is found in the scorching Namib Desert in Africa. This plant is so bizarre, it looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Here's the amazing part that it only grows 2 leaves in its entire lifetime. Yes, 2. These leaves continuously grow, splitting and tangling into a tangled mess, but they never stop. And did I mention some of these plants are over 1,000 years old? Isn't that interesting? Next, we're heading to the jungles of Borneo to check out the Nepenthes, or pitcher plants. These plants have turned the tables on the food chain. They're carnivorous. They lure on insects, and sometimes even small animals, into their pitcher-shaped traps with sweet nectar. Once the prey falls in, it's digested by the plant's acidic fluids. Some species, like Nepenthes raja, are so big they can trap small rodents. Who needs pest control when you have one of these in your garden? These plants are primarily found in tropical regions. Their natural habitats include countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Thailand, host a wide variety of Nepenthes species. Now let's switch gears to the next unique plant and take a look at something subtle. Meet Lithops, which is also known as living stones. These tiny succulents from southern Africa are masters of disguise. They have evolved to look exactly like pebbles to avoid being eaten by herbivores. Each stone is actually a pair of leaves, and they bloom with beautiful flowers once a year. Perfect for plant lovers who want a little mystery in their collection. Next is the Dracaena cinnabari, also known as the dragon blood tree, which is found Socotra Island in Yemen, which is one of the most otherworldly trees on the planet. This umbrella-shaped tree gets its name from its dark red sap, which looks like blood when it's cut. The sap has been used for centuries as medicine, dye, and even incense. Plus, the unique shape of its canopy helps it to survive in arid conditions by catching and directing moisture to its roots. This one might freak you out a bit. The Hydnellum peckii, also known as the bleeding tooth fungus, looks like something out of a horror movie. Found in North America and Europe, it produces red blood-like droplets on its surface. But don't worry, it is not dangerous. It's just a fascinating way for the fungus to exude excess moisture. Its unique appearance has earned it a spot on this list. Next is the Dracula simia monkey, also known as face orchid, which is as cute as it is strange. It is native to the cloud forests of Ecuador and Peru. This orchid looks exactly like a monkey's face when it blooms. And to top it off, it smells like ripe oranges. This rare orchid is a favorite plant among the plant enthusiasts for obvious reasons. Lastly, we have Amorphophallus titanum, the Titan Arum, and we couldn't end this list without mentioning this. It is another plant with a less than pleasant nickname, the Titan Arum, or corpse plant. This monstrous flower can grow up to 10 feet tall, and it also emits a foul smell of decay to attract pollinators. What makes it even more unique is that it only blooms once every 7 to 10 years, and for just 24 to 48 hours. People flock to botanical gardens around the world to witness this rare event. The Titan Arum is native to the tropical rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia. It thrives in humid, warm environments and grows on the forest floor under the shade of large trees. So, there you have it. 6 of the most unique plants on Earth that prove nature has an incredible imagination. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing nature content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.